mga kapaypay! Good morning, mabuhay! Welcome to Grade 8 K5 Channel!
Hello mga ka-Enfisians! My name is Friend Cyril Cruz, aka Cutie Pie! And I am Frenchina Cruz, aka Pizza Pie.
And I am Arvinia de San Pedro, aka Egg Pie.
And I am Erin J. Binoga, aka Buko Pie.
Knowing the productive way,
Into
Excellent!
and we are Team K5! Did you know that reading just 10 minutes a day can transform your brain, your career, and even your relationship? When I start reading daily, I noticed I could focus better and communicate more clearly. Let me tell you how. Reading is like a gym, workout for your brain, boosting memory, and focus and creativity. According to professional advantages, studies show that readers are better at problem solving and decision making skill that can fast track your career.
knowing that reading will also affect mental health and relaxation. So in this part, I will tell you how it really matters. Reduce stress by 68%. It's like meditational but with words. That is why mga kapay, that's watch and learn in your channel.
One book that changed my mindset is Atomic Habits by James Clear. It's a must-read for anyone looking to improve their habits. Yeah mga kakaypay, let us practice reading para wow na wow at my understanding!
Not a fan for physical books? Try audiobooks or e-books. They are great on the go. So what are you waiting for? Let's read books every day.
At isa pa nga po sa nagbabago sa paraan ng pag-aaral ko, ito ang Atomic Habits by James Clear. Ito must read for anyone looking to improve their habits. Yan po ang kagandahan ng pagbasa po para sa akin na bukasan mga kaypay. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay, pagtutok sa amin hanggang muli.
Please like
And share
and subscribe
para lagi updated sa aming mga video.